Come test drive the 2021 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.